Good morning. Welcome to Dear Channel, Dear Teacher RS channel. Every day I am taking a 10th class live class at 6 o'clock every day. Every day I am taking a class at 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. and at present I am teaching At present, I am teaching arithmetic progression. Now we are in the climax, maybe more 2 classes or 3 classes higher maximum. I am going to complete this arithmetic progression. So today my topic is sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Finding sum of n terms. Okay, so we have already learned a n we have already learned nth term a plus n minus 1 into d. We have already learned. So this is only nth term. Now our target is to find out sum of n terms, right? Sn. So now let us start. So you have to remember this formula: an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That means n terms you have to write and you have to add them. So now in general I am going to derive the formula, Sn formula, sum of n terms formula is one of the important question, right? So now let us write Sn. Let us write all the terms right from the beginning. Let us write all the terms. So a is the first term, a plus d is the second term, a plus 3d is the third term. Sn is equal to a plus d plus a plus 2d and so on. So what will be the last term, nth term? I will write one more term also, a plus 3d, so on. Last one is a plus n minus 1 into d. Our target is to add all these terms. So for that we have to derive a formula like this. So now I have written in the one order, ascending order, smallest term to the biggest term. Let us reverse it. Okay, so that means I will write last term here, a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is first term, I am writing from that. So second term will be a plus n minus 2 into d, because one term we have to less, n minus 1 is equal to n minus 2d. And I will write third term also, n plus n minus 3 into d. This is third term and so on. Last I have to write that, okay, a. If you want I can write a plus d also. So this is last term and this is last but one term. So now this is just I have written sum of n terms 2 times. One is in one order, another is in another order. So I will add these two. 2Sn is equal to, now this is first term, This is first term and this is first term. We have to add these two things, very important. No? In these two terms, A's are there, A plus A, 2A. So, and D's are not there, D's are not there. So, what I am going to do, n minus 1 into D. This is adding of sum of the first terms. Let us go to the next. So, now I have to add these two, second term and second term. So, then what happened? Again A and A, it will become 2A. Now, n minus 2 into D, D. So, minus 2D plus D, minus D. So, that means you will be getting n minus 1 again. This is a sum of second terms. They are not in the same line, that is why I am giving you a separate color. Again, this is the third term and this is the third term. So, then what happens? Again in this A is there, here also A is there, 2A, n minus 3 plus 2. So, n minus 1 again and D. This is sum of, you just observe a pattern, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, it is coming. So, you understood the same similarity. So, then what happened if you are going, if you are adding last term, again here A and A is there, 2A and n minus 1 into D. So, this is the last term. Okay. So, now we have got one formula in this all same 1, 2, 3 all n terms are the same. Suppose if you are writing x plus x plus x and so on n times. So, then what happened? You can write nx. X plus x plus x 4 times means 4x. X plus x plus x 10 times means 10x. So, that means you have to add n times of the same thing. So, then what you will be getting here? N. If you add all these things, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So, here left hand side 2Sn. Therefore, Sn is equal to, this 2 will go that side, I will write n upon 2 and remaining things are same. So, this is the formula for sum of n terms. Now, we have got one more formula. Till now, we have got common difference formula, second term minus first term, and nth formula, nth term formula, that is A plus n minus 1 into D, that is nth term formula. Now, we have got one more formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is a sum of n terms of a formula. Yeah, just now Priya Yadav, good morning. Just now I have derived same thing. For you, I will just give you one more time briefing. First, you write all n terms, general formula, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and goes on. Last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. I am writing in the reverse order. रिवर्स में लिखना है, उधर से शुरू करना, ओ टर्म पहले डालना है, ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 डी, एक एक डी कम करते जाना. सो ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी, ये सेकंड टर्म क्या होता है, एक 1 डी कम करना है तो ए प्लस एन माइनस 2 डी, ए प्लस एन माइनस 3 डी and so on. This last term will be here. So, I have written Sn, sum of n terms, that means the same progression 2 times. One is in the increasing order, the other one is in the decreasing order. and these two I have added. So left hand side Sn plus Sn, 2Sn. So if you are adding these two, first pair of first term, pair of second terms, pair of, so this is one pair and this is another pair and this is another pair. So if you are adding, you are getting a similarity. Okay, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So like this you are getting n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is why n into this one. Therefore, this 2 if you are sending that side, n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the derivation only. Okay, in the beginning, before this you have to write, let the first term be a, common difference be d. Okay, so the general progressions, general and the arithmetic progression is so and so, a plus d, a plus 2d and so on. And we have to find out Sn, so बीच में plus लगाना है. So a very very important formula. So now Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is nth term, a is first term, d is common difference. Okay. So now let us go to exercise. So this is the exercise 5.3. Till 5.2 we have done it. Now we have 5.3 in front of you. Okay. So let us do one by one. So this is 5.3 exercise. First question. Find sum of following APs. So he has given 1, 2, 3, 4 APs, arithmetic progressions, and you have to find out sum of n terms. Sum of the terms only, not n terms. So let me take first question. First bit, 2 plus 7 plus, he did not write plus, I am writing, and etc., 10 terms. So here a is equal to 2 and d is equal to 7 minus 2, 5, and n is equal to 10. 10 terms you have to add. So that means sum of 10 terms you have to find out. Sum of 10 terms you have to find out. So now Sn formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now n, in the place of n I should write 10. So 10 upon 2, a place में 2 डालना है, n प्लेस में 10 डालना है, d प्लेस में 5 डालना है. सो सभी वैल्यूज आ गए इसमें. 2 to the 4, 10 minus 1 9, 9 5 the 45. So 5 into 45 plus 4, 49. 5 9 the 45, 5 4 the 24. So 245 is sum of 10 terms. Sum of 10 terms of the first. Okay. So हर एक प्रोग्रेशन में पहले ये डालना है, ये फाइंड आउट करना, डी फाइंड आउट करना, इसमें एन. अभी सेकंड में 12 है, 12 टर्म्स. ओके, लेट मी डू द फ्रैक्शन प्रॉब्लम्स और डेसिमल प्रॉब्लम्स. So let me do first question. Decimal problems I'll do. Some people maybe 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on. 100 terms. That means sum of 100 terms you have to find out. So a is equal to 0.6, b is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6, which is equal to 1.1. So all of you be careful. 1.7 आपको बराबर नहीं आई तो ऐसा रफ कॉलम में ऐसा डाल दो, आपको आ जाएंगे. Okay, so this is d and n is equal to 100. N is equal to 100. So Aditya, hello. सो एस एन फार्मूला लिखो, एस एन इज इक्वल टू एन अपॉन 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. एग्जाम में भी ऐसा फार्मूला लिखना है, यू हैव टू राइट द फार्मूला. इफ यू आर राइटिंग द फार्मूला यू मे बी गेटिंग हाफ मार्क. डायरेक्ट डोंट डायरेक्टली सब्स्टिट्यूट एंड राइट इट. सो अभी एस 100 फाइंड आउट करना है, सम ऑफ n इज इक्वल टू 100. सो 100 बाई 2 इंटू ए इज 0.6 प्लस n इज 100 माइनस 1 इंटू डी प्लेस में 1.1 लिखना है. सो बी केयरफुल, यू आर डीलिंग डेसिमल्स. सो डेसिमल छोड़ के 6 2 ज़ा 12, वन नंबर के पहले डेसिमल लगाना है. डेसिमल निकाल के मल्टीप्लाई करो, देन 2 6 ज़ा 12 एंड डेसिमल एक ही डेसिमल प्लेस है, सो एक नंबर के पहले डेसिमल डालना, राइट. सो दिस इज 99 इंटू 11, 9 11 ज़ा 99, 9 11 ज़ा 99 प्लस 9 108. सो एक ही डेसिमल प्लेस है तो इधर, सो देन प्लस 108.9. सो अगेन इधर अच्छा सा रफ कॉलम यूज़ करो. डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल आना चाहिए. सो 9 प्लस 2 11, सो 9 प्लस 1 10, सो 1 1. सो दिस इज 50 इंटू 110.1. सो नाउ इसका भी 55 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो देन 5055. सो आंसर एक ज़ीरो डालना है, एक नंबर. सो इट इज़ इक्वल टू 5505.0. दिस इज द आंसर. सम ऑफ n टर्म्स, सम ऑफ 100 टर्म्स. सो डेसिमल आई तो भी आप घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. प्रोसीजर इज प्रोसीजर, बट यू शुड बी हैबिचुएटेड टू ऐड द डेसिमल्स. सो आपको डेसिमल्स में प्रॉब्लम है तो वेरी सिंपल. डेसिमल में 4 ऑपरेशंस, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन, एक 10-10 प्रॉब्लम्स कर लेना. सो देन यू विल गेट यूज टू हैंडल डेसिमल नंबर्स. सो वैसा ही इधर फ्रैक्शंस में भी सेम प्रॉब्लम है. आपको फ्रैक्शंस एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन करना आना ही चाहिए, बिकॉज यू आर इन 10th क्लास. सो फ्रैक्शंस में ऑल द 4 ऑपरेशंस, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन, ये 4 ऑपरेशंस आना ही चाहिए. डेसिमल में भी आना चाहिए एंड फ्रैक्शंस में भी आना चाहिए. देन ओनली यू कैन फाइंड आउट डिफरेंट. अभी फ्रैक्शंस में इधर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 1/12 माइनस 1/15. सो दैट मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ fractions is needed here, and here multiplication of fractions are needed. So as long as you don't know the 4 operations of decimal numbers, definitely आपको इधर गलत आने का, wrong mistakes आने का chances बहुत है. So बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम है अभी, 5-6 months are there for board exams. जिसको प्रॉब्लम्स है फ्रैक्शंस में डेसिमल्स में, वेरी सिंपल, एक आधा घंटा बैठो, पूरा डेसिमल सीख लेना एंड फ्रैक्शंस भी सीख लेना. ठीक है. सो लेट अस गो टू अनदर क्वेश्चन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द सम गिवन बिलो. सेकंड क्वेश्चन. अगेन हियर आल्सो फाइंड द सम. सेम क्वेश्चन, बीच में प्लस दिया है. ही हैज गिवन ओनली प्लस. So let me do first question, first bit. That means 7 plus 10.5 plus 14 plus etc plus 84. So the difference between first sum and this sum is n is given in the first sum. That means n is equal to 100, like that it is given. Here n is not given. Last term is 84. So you have to find out n. మంచి వాసన వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా, ఫెస్టెట్ వాసన. ఓకే. సో నౌ 84 is not n. Please remember, 84 is not n. It is last term. So let an is equal to, say a is equal to 7 and d is equal to 10 and a half minus 7. It is equal to 3 and a half. I am writing 3 and a half in general. Huh? So now an is equal to 84. So इसमें फार्मूला डाल के n फाइंड आउट कर लेना पहले, right, is equal to 84. So a is 7, n minus 1 into d is 3 and a half is equal to 84. 7 उधर भेजो, so 3 and a half. हाँ, so n minus 1 into 3 and a half. 3 and a half को मैं क्या करूँगा, 2 3 6 7 by 2 करूँगा, is equal to 84 minus 7. ఎంత 84 minus 7, 77. So n minus 1 is equal to 77 into 2 by 7, 7 11 times is equal to 22. N minus 1, n is equal to 22 plus 1, 23. Okay, n is equal to 23 आ गया. So now we have to find out S23. Because there is less space, I am not writing the formula. You have to write the formula. So 23 by 2. Again एक बार चेक कर सकते हैं, डायरेक्ट भी मत करो, ऐसा इतना लंबी प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज और भी करना है. इफ n गलत आ गए तो ये पूरा रब करके और एक बार करना पड़ता है. इसीलिए पहले इधर चेक करो. 3 and a half, 7, 84 minus 7, 77, 7 by 2, 2 by 7, 11, 22, 22 plus 1, 23. Yes, correct. Okay. So now 2a, 2 into 7 plus 23 minus 1 into 3 and a half means I will write 7 by 2. So 23 by 2, 14, this is 22. Okay. So plus 22 into 7 upon 2, this 2 in 22, 11 times. Okay. So 23 by 2, 14 plus 11 into 7, 77. So now अभी ब्रैकेट निकाल सकते हैं, ये दोनों ऐड करो, 1 8 9 91. So this is the answer. Okay. So here 0.5 में आंसर आ जाएंगे. फिर भी आंसर में जनरली ऐसा 0.5 नहीं आएंगे, बट फिर भी इधर आया, एक बार वापस चेक करो. प्रोसीजर तो सेम है. सो पहले 84 लेके लास्ट टर्म डाल के n फाइंड आउट करना है. वी हैव डन इट इन सेकंड एक्सरसाइज. सो देन आफ्टर फाइंडिंग n, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट सम ऑफ 23 टर्म्स. Okay, sum of 23 terms. This is the procedure, right? So now let us, in this 4 problems are given, minus is also there, and here ordinary numbers are there. This is decreasing progression, this is also decreasing progression only. Okay, so you have to be very careful with the plus minus symbols, right? So क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. अभी 26 8 26 6 26 हो गया है. देन आई विल स्टॉप हियर. टुमारो आई विल कंटिन्यू दिस lesson. Again I am telling you, I have made MCQs of all chapters because MCQs play a very vital role. बिकॉज आपका स्कूल्स में अभी भी कोर्स कंप्लीशन चल रहा है, सिलेबस कंप्लीशन चल रहा है, इसीलिए आई हैव गिवन ओनली 2 chapters और 2 chapters ऑफ MCQs. सो उसमें जाइए. आपको आशीष तिवारी, गुड मॉर्निंग. राम राम, गुड मॉर्निंग. सो description I can take class to ICSE. You come on to it is very difficult because all my time is fixed. अभी 9th class को भी बंद कर दिया है, right? 9th class 6:30 होने वाला था, so मैं 9th class को बंद कर दिया, right? So ICSE लेने के लिए मैं तो ready हूँ, but I need some students to listen to my lesson, okay? So आपको 1-to-1 में चाहिए तो you can contact me through my app, okay? 9th क्लास का मैं शाम में ले लूँगा 7 बजे, 7 o'clock इवनिंग 7 o'clock 9th क्लास आई विल टेक, ओके? मॉर्निंग क्लास तो मैं बंद कर दिया है. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे. शेयर, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. बाय बाय.